In this video, we will talk about how to extend Windows 10 security updates for free. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. Select Update and Security. Here, you can see Enroll in Extended Security Updates. If you can't see it, click on Check for Updates. For now, click on Enroll Now. Select Next. If you are signed in with Microsoft account, you will not see these options. Here, you can create a new Outlook account, or you can sign in with different Outlook account. If you want to know how to create Microsoft account, link is given in the description. I already have an account, so I'm signing in with my Microsoft account. Once you signed in, you can see you are eligible to enroll in extended security updates at no extra cost. Here, you can see we have enrolled in extended security updates till October 13th, 2026. After confirming everything, click on Enroll. So that's how you can extend Windows 10 security updates for free. See you in the next video.